Alrighty. It's mid-January. Yeah, mid-January 2021. So it's kind of windy up here. Hopefully the wind is not gonna, interfere. How you can hear me, guys. But so yeah, this is gonna be a short video. I'm not gonna, because I'm almost done paying off the car. It's been 2.5 years since I got it used with 14,000 miles on it. So this is 2017 for those who doesn't know. 2017 Honda Accord Sport 2.4. It's naturally aspirated. It's manual and transmission vehicle. I kind of washed the car a little bit, so it's hard to keep it clean here, especially if you have 2 jobs. It's harder to keep it clean. So because I'm almost done paying off the car, I'm trying to do 2 or more payments per month. That's why I do the second job. So so the newer vehicles, they come with a GPS and all this data that you can see on your cell phone with the app. So I'm like a friend of mine got a Honda and it came with an app, and the app is basically showing, oh my god, it's so windy. She's showing where the car is, the GPS location, if there are any problems with the car and stuff like that. The thing is that on these cars, at least on my Sport, USA Sport 2017, there's no such thing. And on the Civic, that 2013 Civic, we are using a device. It's a GPS device. It's not just a GPS device. It shows how the battery status is, what's your how much miles you're doing per gallon, stuff like that. And there are a lot of other data that you can see on your app. So yeah, like I said, because I'm kind of almost finished paying off the car, try to keep it clean. But 2 jobs, it's not really that easy. Alrighty. So this is the device that I use. It's a OBD2 device. So this basically has a SIM card in it. I'm paying around, I don't know how much, like $80, $100 a year. So that's like $7-8 a month. So yay, I cleaned the mats a little bit. So what you do with this is that, like this, maybe you can hear me better. So with this, you just plug it in the OBD2 port. The older one that my brother has is a 3G, but the 3G network is gonna start working like end of 2021, so he's gonna get a 4G like this. There are a lot of other brands that offer this service. This was the cheapest one. I don't have to pay monthly. So you can get this online or any other device. I had to pay one-time activation fee, and then the renewal is just yearly. I don't know how much is it, $80, $100 for the whole year. So I can track my car with this at any time. I can see the mileage of the car, how many miles I did a month, what's the the fuel consumption, the battery status, the GPS location, the trips, where I stopped, blah blah blah. You can have a speed limit or alerts. You can mark a certain zone, and if the car gets out of that zone, you get notification. I believe you can get an email too or something like that. So yeah, you just activate this on your app, one-time activation fee, and then you plug it like on the OBD port, which is somewhere here in the Accord. You can also get extension cable and have it kind of hidden, so you still have option to plug something else on the OBD if you want to do that. That's what my brother has on his Civic. So let me show you how that looks like, the app, stuff like that. So this is my older phone. I'm gonna show you how on the older phone is gonna work. So this is how the app looks like. So you just refresh the button, the up right, to see where the location is, where the car is. Let's see. So you can see where the car is now. The update depends on the service that you bought, the basic service, the advanced. I think you can upgrade and get location of the car like within 15 seconds, every 15 seconds. Even when the car is off, you can still see where the car is, whatever. And then so you have the summary of the car, like the location, the odometer. You have like warning lights, like a health score of the car, emission test, blah blah blah. And then you have the location, the trips that you did. So for example, you can go here and like select a trip, and it will tell you like, you know, how your handling of the car was, where you did the stops and stuff like that. And then you have the health of the car, you know, any recalls, maintenance, battery. It says battery status bad. So yeah, the fuel consumption. So it's not just a GPS locator. There are like a lot of other stuff that you can see on this app. My main concern is that because Hondas are like cars that are, you know, stolen very often. So yeah, here I can see the zone that this car has. So let me show you. Let me zoom out. So this is the zone. If the car gets out of that zone, I'll get notification. But yeah, this is not just a GPS. They're like, it's more than that. I was worried, like, you know, usually the Hondas are getting stolen very often. This car doesn't have a factory GPS, so at least I don't know about that. But this is for me just to see. You can do like a, you know, let's say your kids are like doing something, you know, with the car. You can see that on the app or whatever if you want to do that. But this is just for me, you know, to see where the car is. And you know, this phone is acting a little bit weird, crazy, I would say. Like it's, but yeah, there are a lot of brands, you know, that you can buy. I like this one. The main reason, like, I've been using this one on the Civic for like 3 years. This is a third year or something like that, because the Civic is been paid off, and it has only like 55,000 miles. So and it's hidden in the Civic somewhere. But yeah, I got this for the Accord because you never know. It's not a big money, you know. You go at the bar, you spend 20, 30, 40 bucks. This is like 80, between $80 and $100 a year. So yeah, and you know, like I said, the main reason I got this is because the car is almost paid off. So when the car was like, you know, when I still owed a lot of money, like 15, 20 grand, I was like, well, the bank, the creditor still owns the car. So I'm just gonna, you know, I'm not gonna buy this for now. We'll see later what's gonna happen. So yeah, I think that's it. It comes in a small box. Nothing special. This is the 4G. This is like the newer device. I got the 4G because the 3G is gonna expire in like end of 2021, I believe. Then my brother has to do like a replacement, you know. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna plug it back, and that will be it. I don't want to make a long video for something not that big, but yeah, there you go. Alrighty, bye.